2023 KTM XC-W lineup first look. 3 off-road 2 strokes. Although there aren't a lot of changes for the 2023 KTM XC-W lineup, there is one significant technical update. The 2023 KTM XC-W lineup gets a Dunlop Geomax MX33 front tire, replacing the Dunlop Geomax AT81. However, KTM still taps the AT81 for rear rubber duties. In the marketing realm, TPI is gone from the model names of the 3 XC-W 2-strokes, the 300, 250, and 150, though they still feature the innovative fuel injection system. The 2023 graphics pay gentle tribute to the KTM ENDURO models of the 1990s, with white, purple, and orange taking center stage on the stickers. Also, the frame is now orange, something we were used to seeing only on special editions. Returning features include WP Sploor suspension, with a linkage-free shock with progressive damping. An electronic oil pump eliminates pre-mixing gasoline and 2-stroke oil, and reduces oil consumption. Electric starting is standard on all 3 2023 KTM XC-Ws, with the 150 retaining a backup kickstarter. Prices are up this year, with the 2023 KTM 300 XC-W cracking the $11,000 barrier, though the 150 XC-W keeps its price in 4 figures. 2023 KTM 300 XC-W, 250 XC-W and 150 XC-W specs. Engine type: single-cylinder 2-stroke. Displacement: 293 cubic centimeters, 250, 259 cubic centimeters, 150, 144 cubic centimeters. Bore stroke: 72 by 72 millimeters, 250, 66.4 by 72 millimeters, 150, 58 by 54.5 millimeters. Induction, transfer port injection. Fueling, EFIW/39 millimeters Delorto throttle body. Exhaust, power valve with expansion chamber. Cooling, liquid. Starting, electric, 150, kickstart backup. Lubrication, electronic oil injection. Transmission, Penkel 6-speed. Clutch, diaphragm spring wet multiplate with Brembo hydraulics. Final drive, X-ring chain. Chassis. Frame, double cradle chromoly steel. Handlebar, Nikon tapered aluminum with ODI grips. Front suspension, travel, fully adjustable 48mm inverted WP Sploor fork, 11.8 inches. Rear suspension, travel, linkageless, fully adjustable WP Sploor piggyback reservoir shock W/progressive damping, 12.2 inches. Wheels, giant. Front wheel, 21 by 1.60. Rear wheel, 18 by 2.15. Front tire, 80/100x21, Dunlop Geomax MX33. Rear tire, 110/100x18, Dunlop Geomax AT81. Front brake, 260mm wave disc with Brembo caliper. Rear brake, 240mm wave disc with Brembo caliper. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase, 58.3 inches. Rake, 26.5 degrees. Triple clamp offset, 22mm. Seat height, 37.8 inches. Ground clearance, 14.6 inches. Fuel tank capacity, 2.4 gallons. 2-stroke oil tank capacity, 23.7 ounces. Wet weight, 243 pounds, 150, 217 pounds.